record it. Amelia's first day in the new home. Oh, yeah. Where'd she go? There she went. Hello, don't press the button. Hi. Do you like your new home? Do you like your new home? Amelia, do you like your new home? Do you like it here? Do you like it? Do you like the house? You got a dirty face. Do you like the house? Oh, don't eat me. Ow, that's my hair. Let go, please. Yes. You got dirty face. Yes, you do like it. There's our backyard. Is it done raining? It's done raining. What's up? Our new house. Our new bathroom. Ta-da! Back doors. Kitchen. Take a peek at our neighbors. It's not a written rule not to park in front of somebody else's house, but it's common courtesy not to. This is our front window. Look at the big staircase. Only renting for now. Our overgrown trees out front. Awesome. And the weeds, oh my, look at all those weeds growing on the front lawn. Oh, she's exploring already. Can you put it back in? Is that the best you can do? Oh, good try. Thank you. Mommy will have to screw these ones into, huh? There we go. So I have to do with the ones at home. Amelia, please don't play the blindfold. Let go, let go, let go. Yes, the cord is definitely not childproof. No. Where's she going? Hello. All right. Boys will be playing on that ledge. She loved it. Let's check out. Did you unlock the front door already? Oh, okay. So peek outside. Oh, it is still raining to you, Jiminy. Oh wow, look at that. You can't even see our steps here. All the trees growing over them. Yeah. Another car. That's a deck. That's the neighbor on the other side. Oh, there's something in the mailbox already. Wonder what it is. Oh, I wonder if it's our welcome wagon. It is our welcome wagon. Oh, wait. See what you are getting. Please kindly contact me if you'd like to receive Avon brochures. Who are you? And why are you bringing us your Avon? Anyways, more to come.